Today I'm doing a really easy swipe. What's going to be a little bit different about it is that I'm going to be swiping with multiple colors instead of just one. And I'm going to be leaving more of the swipe colors on the canvas before the actual swipe starts. So I'm not sure if that makes sense, but you'll see what I mean as we go along. For those of you that would like to give something similar a try, I'll list all the paint colors and ratios in the description box. So I've started off by laying down my base color of titanium white. I'm just using a single base color today, given that I'm going to swipe with multiple colors. These swipe colors are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. Here we go with a quick close-up. Thanks as always for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.